In a groundbreaking discovery, physicists have once again confirmed the genius of Albert Einstein. But this time, it's not just about his famous theory of relativity. Physicists have detected two pairs of merging black holes, and the larger black hole in each pair is a rare second-generation veteran. These black holes, born from previous mergers, are a smoking gun for Einstein's theories, and they're causing a stir in the scientific community. The study, published in the astrophysical journal Letters, reveals that these second-generation black holes exhibit peculiar behavior. Their gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime, tell a story of their unique origins. Imagine two black holes colliding, forming a larger one, and then that new black hole merging again, creating an even bigger one. It's like a cosmic game of Russian dolls. The first merger, GW241011, occurred on October 11, 2024, with black holes of 6 and 20 solar masses. The larger one was a record-breaker, spinning incredibly fast. Just a month later, on November 10, GW241110 unveiled an even more peculiar pair. This time, the larger black hole spun in the opposite direction to its orbit, a first-time observation. But here's where it gets controversial. These second-generation black holes challenge our understanding of the universe. The researchers suggest they formed through hierarchical mergers in dense star clusters, where black holes frequently interact. This idea raises questions about the nature of these environments and the role they play in shaping the cosmos. The findings also have implications for fundamental physics. The gravitational waves from GW241011 matched Einstein's predictions, as well as those of mathematician Kerr, regarding rotating black holes. The hum in the gravitational wave signal further confirmed Einstein's theories. So, what does this mean for our understanding of the universe? Are these second-generation black holes the key to unlocking more cosmic secrets? And what does this say about the environment in which they form? The debate is sure to spark lively discussions among scientists and enthusiasts alike. Share your thoughts in the comments below.